Are you trying to live stream on YouTube, but it's a little complicated and you really don't know how to do it? Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you an exact tutorial on how to live stream your very first YouTube video, and that is coming up right now. All right, guys, so the first thing what we're gonna do is we're going to enable the live stream on YouTube. So let's go into YouTube. And then once you have your account all set up and ready to go, you're gonna want to go to your YouTube studio. And then right on YouTube Studio, then you're gonna want to go right here in the go live. If you haven't streamed before, it's gonna tell you to go hit the enable button to go live. Now, when you do this, you won't immediately go live. It's gonna take about maybe I think 24 hours. So this is a new account that I made just to show you guys, but I have my account, which I'll show you how that works after you enable the live streaming. You're gonna want to hit enable. And then it's gonna say to access live streaming on desktop, first verify your phone number. Verify your phone number. Okay, then it's gonna say your phone has been verified now. There it says ready in 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to activate your account for live streaming. Once activated, then you can go live instantly. So then like I said, this is another account that I created, so we'll go back into my account and then we'll be able to go from there into our next step. All right, so then now the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your OBS is installed. So I will leave a link to the description down below of how to download the OBS. Now you're going to download it either Mac or Windows, whichever one you're using. I already have it downloaded, but you will go here to Windows and then go through the steps. Now, once you have OBS set up, you're going to want to go and get your stream key to put it into OBS so you can stream live. Now, the way to do that, you go into YouTube, you go into YouTube Studio, you go into the live streaming, and then right here in this little button to stream, it's going to give you the stream key. You're going to hit copy. Okay, once you have it copied, then you're going to want to go into OBS. Then OBS, you're going to go to File, Settings. Then you're going to go Stream. You're going to put your service, and you're going to put it for YouTube or Twitch, wherever you want to stream. But I mean, we're doing YouTube, right? So you're going to hit YouTube. And then you're going to put use stream key. And then on stream key, you're going to paste it right here. And then you're just going to hit OK. And if it gives you the option to apply, you hit apply. Just because I already have it set up, I don't know if it shows that up or not. But if it does, just hit apply and hit OK, just to make sure that it's put in there. So now we're all done with OBS. And if you want to find out how to put in your camera or add a microphone into OBS and learn how to use OBS, I have other videos at the end of this video that'll be linked, and you can go ahead and watch it through there. Now, the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to head over to YouTube and continue from there. All right, so now once you're in your YouTube studio again, then we're going to go live. And then this time you're going to want to schedule your stream, or you can hit it right now, but we're going to hit later. Okay, so then in this option here, we're just gonna put in, once we're in the main page of the YouTube studio, then you're just gonna hit the schedule stream, and then right here you're gonna want to put in your title, start streaming today, basic title. Then you're gonna want to upload a thumbnail just like how you would do with a YouTube video. And if you have a playlist, you can put in a playlist. I would have live streams. And then I'll just put, no, it's not made for kids. Hit next, live chat, all that stuff. Make it public. All right, so once you're done with that, then right here you have all your basic information. And if you want to edit anything, you know, maybe you didn't like the title, you want to change it, just hit edit and then you go there. Just a quick tip on your next stream, when you go into schedule stream, it's going to show up a past live stream that you have streamed before. And if you want to reuse those same settings, you can go ahead and click on that video, and it's going to put all the same settings that you used on the last stream into your new stream. Now, one very important thing you're going to want to do is that if you're used to maybe live streaming on Twitch, you just go ahead, hit go live on OBS, and it automatically goes live for you on Twitch. With YouTube, that's another problem. On YouTube, you're going to want to go to right here, additional settings, and you're going to want to click on enable auto start. When you click on that, it says right here, enabling auto start will automatically start the stream when you start sending data from your streaming software, otherwise OBS. So you're gonna hit enable, Now what that does is as soon as you hit the go live button in OBS, it's gonna automatically go live for you on YouTube. That is a very important thing to click on, because if you do not click on that and you hit go live on OBS, you will not go live on YouTube. So make sure to click on enable auto start so you automatically go live as soon as you press go live on OBS. And just in case, I would enable the auto stop as well, just in case you from OBS click stop streaming, it should do it as well. One other thing that we want to look at before we go live is our stream latency. Now, when you go to the bottom left right here, there are three options. There is normal, low, and ultra low latency. If you stream at 1080p, then you can choose all three options. It doesn't matter which one you can choose for your latency. But if you stream in 4K, then you only have two options, which is normal and low latency. Now you're probably asking, what's the difference between these different types of latencies? Well, the ultra low latency has a latency between 1 to 2 seconds, and low latency, there's a latency of 5 to 10 seconds, and then on normal latency you have a latency of 10 to 20 seconds. And for those of you that don't know what latency is the delay between what your camera captures and what is shown to your viewers. Basically, if you're talking to your viewers might have a 5-second delay before you know they see what you're saying, or they can give you a 5-second delay response. So you definitely want to consider those options before streaming. And guys, you are ready to start your very first stream on YouTube. Congratulations. Like I said before, if you want to see a video on how to use your camera and put your camera into OBS, or maybe even put in a microphone into your OBS, then just look at these videos right here and that will help you out. Also, I want to say, if you guys found value into this video, please like, which that helps me a lot, and also subscribe for any future content that I let out. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.